Hallo Leute. Heute mit Dr. Andy.
Yeah, hello, good morning, everybody. I hope you are feeling great today. Today is Tuesday, March 23, 2021. Okay, so our subject is practical English for profession 1. Yeah, it means that in these lessons, you will be encouraged to speak more, yeah, practice your English, right? But this time we're gonna talk about how to create or to make the tour itinerary or tour program. How do you create this program? Okay, and one thing that you should understand how to create an itinerary or tour program. It is based on the contract between your company and the agent. Can be in Indonesia and also can be abroad as well. Yeah, I think to make it easier, we just take an example. Okay, what does the tour program or the tour itinerary look like? Okay, so I'll bring you to the websites of tour and travel company. Yeah. Okay, 1 minute please. Let me share. Yeah, here it is. Okay. Okay. And yeah, we have a friend that's still in a waiting room. Okay, I hope everybody has joined. Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. Yeah. So here it is. Yeah. So this is the itinerary or the tour program of North Sumatra or Tangkahan Bahar Toba package tour. Yeah, I think 6 days, 5 nights. Yeah, Tangkahan Bahar Toba. Yeah, Bahar Toba. So it means that the tour is combined, yeah, between Lake Toba and Bahar. Let's see the program. For example, here. Okay, so you can see here, day 1, airport hotel. Okay, yeah. So as I told you previously that the itinerary or the tour program is created based on the contract, yeah, of your company and the travel agent, yeah, as your business partner. Okay, for example, day 1, airport hotel. Yeah, so here it says upon arrival at the airport, greet and transfer to the hotel for accommodation and dinner. That's for day 1. Okay, and then day 2, Medan, Tangkahan. Yeah, so this is the program that you should fulfill. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. After an early breakfast at the hotel, so the tourists having breakfast in the hotel. Okay. Proceed driving on the route which lead to Binjai to head northward, crossing the main road, passing several small villages with some countryside landscape of rubber and oil farm plantation line either sides of the highway, interrupted by roof local houses on high post to Tangkahan Rainforest. Another entrance to Gunung Leuser National Park. Upon arrival at Tangkahan, walk to the simple lodge for your accommodation. So this is the the way how to write the program. So you are as student of tourism, of course, you should be able to write this. Yeah, to write this. Okay, and this itinerary should be given to the tourist that you are handling, and also you keep one for you. Okay, and being a tour guide, you should follow the itinerary. Yeah, as I told you previously, that the itinerary as the contract between your company. So you represent, you represent your company. Okay, and then your company through you provide all the service that written in the itinerary. So that's why you are as a tour guide or tourist guide, you may not skip the program which have been written in the itinerary. Yeah. So if you do that, there will be the substances, the legal substances. Ya. Akan ada masalah hukumnya, akibat hukumnya. Ya. So never skip the program which has been written in the itinerary or in the tour program. So remember that. Yeah. So let me repeat once again. Yeah. Day 2, Medan Tangkahan. So after an early breakfast at the hotel, proceed driving on the route which leads to Binjai to head northward, crossing the main road, passing several small villages with some countryside landscape of rubber and oil farm plantation line either sides of the highway, interrupted by low roof local houses on high post to Tangkahan Rainforest. Another entrance to Gunung Leuser National Park. Upon arrival at Tangkahan, walk to the simple lodge for your accommodation. Okay. After lunch, so in this program, lunch is provided by your company. Yeah. After lunch, proceed the 11 trekking into the Leuser National Park covers an area 9,000 square kilometers, heart of the Sumatran rainforest, home to many diverse and exotic species of flora and fauna. It's one of the most endangered ecosystem in the world. You will be cross the river and then walk down the river to where we will start the tubing program. The tubing program begins and we will follow the stream of the friendly river until the place has been determined. After finishing the tubing, we will walk back to the hotel. Okay, so that's the program that you should engage, that you should perform with your tourists that you are handling. Yeah. So again, I remind you not to skip the program because it will be problem. Yeah, it will be legal issue because one day if you skip and then they do not stiff spine, they are not heavy. So when they return home to their country, they can complain with our agent abroad. Yeah, and then the consequence, they will not pay. Yeah, they will not pay. Yeah, because they are not heavy, or they can go to the court to file the lawsuit. Okay, so that's why, yeah, knowing the legal aspect also is very important for you as students of tourism industry, right? So that's day one, day two, and now day three. Yeah, day three, Tangkahan Bukit Lawang. Okay, after breakfast, so breakfast is served, yeah, at the restaurant. Okay, we will check out, then walk to the car parking where our car has been waiting to take us to Bukit Lawang. Upon arrival at Bukit Lawang, walk to the simple lodge for your accommodation. That is the program of day three. Yeah. After lunch, proceed for 3 hours trekking to the surrounding rainforest that is located at the eastern lodge of Gunung Leuser National Park, with chance to observe various tropical plants, including a tangle of enormous trees, twisting lianas, palm, fern, and weird and wonderful flowers, and to luckily see wild animals like orangutan. After the trekking, proceed walking back to the lodge for accommodation and dinner. That's the program of number three. Okay, and you should perform the program. Okay, and then day four, yeah, day four, Bukit Lawang, Bahorok, Brastagi, Samosir Island. Okay, early breakfast at the appropriate time. Drive to Samosir via Brastagi with an route stop at a rubber oil palm plantation and the crocodile farm, which being the largest in Indonesia, with some 1,000 reptiles of different sizes that are carefully segregated to prevent from getting gobbled up by the elder sibling in open pens, where they are simply packed in like sardines. Afterward, proceed the drive on the forested foothill of the Bukit Barisan and enjoy the panoramic view, and we will make a stop in the fruit market to try the delicacy of the local fruits. Yeah, that is the program for day 4. Yeah, and after lunch in Brastagi, driving around this verdant plateau, which is as northern Sumatra's green grocer, exploring farming area, possibly watching farmers cultivating market gardens. Next, we will drive to Lingga village to see glimpse of the way of life of the Karo Batak tribe and their typical houses with open floor plan in which 8 relative families live together under single upswept or rectangular roof of ijuk that interspersed with more than once. Yeah. Afterwards, driving to Tongging Hill, which is located at the northern rim of Toba Basin, to enjoy gazebo, which provides panoramic view with spectacular waterfall known as Sipiso Piso. This waterfall is located in the hills with an altitude of about 8 meters, yeah, and surrounded by fine forests with height of about 120 meters. Sipiso Piso waterfall is one of the highest waterfall in Indonesia. After see the waterfall, we will continue the program to visit the Rumah Bolon, at the small village of Pematang Purba. The Rumah Bolon Longhouse is the outdoor museum highlight. If only one can be singled out, visitors are allowed inside the longhouse built by the 12 chip of solid thick standing on 20 poles. Afterwards, we will drive to Parapat via panoramic way. On arrival in Parapat, we will go to the harbor and the crossing the lake to Samosir Island. That's the program for number 4. Yeah, day 4. And then day 5, yeah, day 5, you see here, day 5, breakfast at the hotel, cruising the Lake Toba for a day, cruise by boat. Inland, visit to Ambarita village, which has an archaeological important meeting place for the king of Sialagan that supposedly served as kind of hall or justice with ancient stone walls that were once topped with a thick fence of thorny bamboo. Next stop is the Semanindo village, which is up to the northern end of the island, known as site of some of the best Batak Toba traditional houses, particularly that of King's Dahruk, which is now museum and a chance to watch Toba Batak folk dance performed by the villagers and Tau Island for a brief respite and possibly swim in the tranquil water of Lake Toba. Afterwards, proceed by boat to Tomok village. Inland, walking on the road lined with souvenir shops up to a site to visit one of the island's most famous sites. The 200 years old boat-shaped circle pagus of King Sidabudar, surrounded by those of his descendants. Afterward, cruise on Lake Toba back to the hotel for dinner and accommodation. Lunch en route, cruise on Lake Toba back to Parapat. Day 6, Samosir Island, Parapat, Medan Airport. Yeah, breakfast, lunch included. After breakfast at hotel, then transfer to Kuala Namu International Airport, Medan City for your next destination. So that is the program, guys. Yeah, for 6 days, 5 nights package tour. Yeah, so this program is combined Lake Toba and Tangkahan and Bahorok. So I can say that it is a semi-adventure. Yeah. So if we are visiting Tangkahan and Bahorok, it is a kind of adventure package tour. And then visiting Lake Toba, it is a kind of leisure tour. Yeah. So you should know, you should understand about this. Yeah. So that is an example how to write the tour itinerary or the tour program. Yeah. And again, you should know that it should be based on the contract that the clients or the tourists or the guests require. Okay, so I think that's it for today. Yeah, thank you so much for joining this class, and we will meet again in the second session. So I will be right back. Bye-bye.